Hello everyone, welcome. In this video I'll show you how to open your downloaded files on Android. So say you downloaded something from, for example, your Google Chrome. So if, for example, we go to the downloads page, and for example I have some photos here, and if you wish to browse them, it all comes down to which kind of file manager you want to use. So for example, let me go to my list of apps and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, so for example, if we go File Manager, just type it in. As you can see, I have two file managers in here that can allow me to watch my downloaded files. So it's File Manager that is inbuilt, so a native one for my phone. It's for the specific phone model that I have, and also the Material Files is just a third-party app. That's also pretty cool. So for example, if you want to see your downloaded files, so we open up our file manager like this, and as you can see in here, I have all my files, and usually your files are saved into the downloads folder. So for example, if I go to downloads, let me see where I have this folder, give me a second. So I have this downloads folder on the very bottom, and in there, as you can see, I have 81 items. A lot of the files I downloaded are located in this folder. And of course, if you wish to use a third-party app, you can do that as well. For example, Material Files is pretty awesome. It works the same way, as you can see, just a different interface. And in here you can find all of your files that you've downloaded. Just make sure to check the download folder. Enjoy, guys. If this helped you out, like and subscribe, and I will see you soon in the next.